it smells like absolute pack in this car. Welcome back to another video, guys. I hope everybody is having a great day. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing this Tesla Model 3 long range 2021 with the brand new refreshed interior with this really nice trim, this nice non-gloss piece here. I love the wireless chargers we have now. Let's see what this thing can do. So it's a long range. We'll see what it can do. Okay, crap. Wow, that's still really fast. I'm getting really impressed with how Tesla is building their cars. This feels so much more solid. The double pane glass right next to my ear is such an improvement. I just have to say, right off the bat, the double pane glass is just perfect. I'm gonna view my blind spots and try to get over. This one has full self-driving, of course. Why wouldn't it? Jeez, really fast. The regenerative braking is just as strong as the acceleration, in my opinion. The main differences on this one are the interior compared to my 2020 Model 3. And as you can see, it has like a lot of interior upgrades because this is a really nice wireless charger with beautiful texture, honestly. It feels really nice. It's suede. This is a nice center console that is actually huge. Goes all the way back, and all you have to do is just do that to close. Very convenient. This is one of the keys. It's a little different to drive this because it's not a performance, although it still has so much power. Like I could probably see myself buying this for like my wife or something. Whoa, wow. I mean, unless they would want the performance, they'd be fine with this, I'd hope. We'll take this to the parking lot we were just at with the Model Y, because I'm filming these back to back. I don't know when I'm gonna upload them, but let's go ahead and see the power trunk. Go over here, I don't know where exactly, but we'll go ahead and look at this car, just kind of admire it. This has black trim, and it just already looks so much nicer than mine, just because of the black trim, in my opinion. This looks so much better. Black trim is just cleaner, simpler. You can definitely feel that it's not a performance because of the suspension. Other than that, it does handle pretty well. The steering is pretty normal. So before we get out, I just want to show you the screen real quick. You can control pretty much anything from the screen. Everything from quick controls, from lights, locks, display, driving, autopilot, navigation, safety and security, service, and software. And then if you X out of that, you can go over to this, and you have all the stuff like your camera, your blind spot cameras. That's new. I like that. You have entertainment for if you are at a supercharger or just in a parking lot like right now. You could watch Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, Twitch, Tesla tutorials, and I'm not gonna lie, it's actually pretty impressive. I have videos on my channel about this whole infotainment system, so if you guys want to go ahead and check out my channel, you'll get a more in-depth tour of this on the Model 3 videos of the past. Over here, you have the trunk, and I'm excited for this. Yes, that's right. A power trunk on a Model 3. And it even closes. Oh my god. Like, that is just the ultimate spoil because, like, not only did they change the buttons and it feels like nice, solid, cold to the touch, but they also changed the fingerprint magnet to this, and this is a really thick, like, very well-built piece of plastic. This is nice, the vegan interior. The charger itself doesn't have aluminum pedals, I forgot, because it's not a performance. It does have this really nice trim. I really am a fan of this wood trim here. The fitment is actually a lot better than what I expect. Like, let's face it, Tesla really usually isn't good with their fitment. Let's go ahead and hop out. We gotta get an outside view of this thing again. And of course, we do have backseat space, which is literally the same as my 2020 Model 3. It has the same center console, except back here we have USB-C. It's really nice. I'm not gonna lie, it's really nice for the backseat passengers. So let's go ahead and head back. Also, something to point out, this has 353 miles of range. I'm just seeing 206 miles on the battery, which is absolutely impressive. We're at about half, and it says 206 miles of range. Whew, this one's fast. Like, this... This has to have the performance boost, but it's not, wow, track mode. There's no performance suspension or performance brakes compared to the track package, or whatever they call it, the performance upgrade on the Model 3 Performance. In my opinion, I'd go for the Model 3 Performance if you can afford it. However, if you really do want like the long range Model 3 and it's your perfect target, go ahead and get this, because this is the 2021 Tesla Model 3 long range, all-wheel drive, dual motor, non-performance with performance upgrade, because this is really quick. That is really quick. It's not even a performance, and it has probably 400 some horsepower, right around there, maybe 400, maybe 450. I don't know, it's pretty high. The torque numbers are where it's at though. This thing probably has around 400, maybe 450 pound-feet of torque at 0 RPM, so you know, you could be doing this and then, geez, I don't know what's sliding back there, but you know, for a non-performance car, this thing's really fun. I mean, granted, all Teslas are kind of built around performance and safety. Speaking of safety, let's see if this can do... Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this... There we go. Up to 30 at least, 35. So this does have autopilot, and it does have full self-driving. And it does have the screen that does this to where you can like see everything. Yeah, I don't know. I really like this interior, and it's just one of those things where it makes me want to get a new one just because of like these dumb little features here. Oh, look at that, stopping for traffic. No, actually, I need to get up. Never mind. We are stopping for traffic, I guess. Okay, here we go. This is where we can test out the performance just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Got some wheel spin on that one. I don't know what tires they use on this. Holy shit. Wow, that is so fast. Whew, guys, that feels incredible. If you haven't driven a Tesla yet, just go drive one. You'll be even surprised with the long range. This is a long range, non-performance. Go buy one of these. Just honest to God. A couple things I should probably mention about the new 2021 Tesla Model 3 is that it's very similar to the 2020 and previous Model 3s in design, styling, interior, exterior, pretty much everything like that. The only main differences are blacked out trim, different buttons, different headlights. You get projector beam headlights instead of these traditional LEDs that you get in the regular Model 3, like this one, the 2020. And in the 2021, I'm not gonna lie, the wireless chargers, I really wish the 2020 had it, but I'm not going to spend money on another car just for the wireless charger and just for the center console. I'm going to keep telling myself that. And of course, other differences involving the acoustic treated glass. I'm not going to lie, driving in the car with the acoustic treated glass is a big difference. It's a huge difference, actually. I got back into my 2020 and I was just like, wow, this needs sound deadening and it needs acoustic glass, because wow, there is that much of a difference. And if you don't believe me, go drive a car with acoustic treated glass. It's like driving something with noise canceling on. It's pretty cool. And of course, we can't not talk about autopilot and the new full self-driving subscription. So if you buy a 2021 Tesla Model 3 using my referral code in the description box down below, you will get 1,000 miles of free supercharging, as will I. When it comes time for delivery, you don't have to pay the $10,000 that it costs for full self-driving. Because it is a subscription-based service now, it only costs $200 a month, and you're going to have to do that for about 4 years to pay $10,000 into full self-driving. So if you do buy a new car, don't get full self-driving with it. Don't pay the $10,000, because what you're supposed to do is you are supposed to wait until you take delivery of the car, and then what you do is you go into the Tesla app, and then you go under subscriptions, and you can purchase full self-driving subscription for $199 a month rather than paying $10,000 just one-time payment. So like I said, unless you're keeping the car for more than 4 years, go ahead and just do the monthly subscription, because $200 a month, when you really think about it, ain't that bad. And I honestly think they might even lower the price, because let's face it, the features that they have out now, it's not worth $200 a month, just in my opinion. I would personally say they're worth $99 a month just to have the extra, you know, automatic lane change, just to have summon maybe work every once in a while. It's just, it's not perfect. Full self-driving is not perfected, and that's why everything is still in the beta form. And I don't know how long Elon Musk is going to take until he actually switches everything over from beta to full release, to where we can just use the software, you know, plug in our destination, maybe even go to sleep, and it'll take us there and we'll wake up at the destination. That would be really neat. That's the idea of future travel for Tesla and Elon Musk. They want to be able to even do their own robotaxi network with these things. There's just so many different possibilities that Tesla could go to, and I am really excited for the future of Tesla. And just like that, this video is over. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have any questions, any at all, please feel free to comment them down in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.